If you want to be a successful commercial entertainer, click on the link below. Dooney's Coaching Secrets will help you. And my individual one-on-one sessions start at only $300 and it's a money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it, I'll give you your money back. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to add a heart to anything, okay? I'm going to make a teddy bear. And this was a teddy bear I learned from Ralph Dewey. I think it was Dewey's Bubble Buddies. And I probably got that book back in 1981, maybe 1982. All right. So nose, cheek, ear, forehead, ear, cheek. I'm going to twist these off to make ears. Okay. Remember, when you're making ears, there's a lot of friction. So the farther you pull them out, the better. Roll the nose up against the right cheek and pull the base of the nose up into the cheeks. And you get that look. Okay? Now what's cool about this teddy bear is it's totally not a dog. Alright? It's something completely different. It's based on triangle body. Alright? Triangle. The same size. So the key is trying to get it the same size. You attach the tail at the bottom corner of the triangle. Whoops. Do it again. That's what happens when you're talking about it instead of doing it. Alright, so the tail goes to make the two triangles lock together. Okay, so I guess I didn't say it. The first triangle was 3, like a triangle. Boom, boom, boom. The second was only 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And that hooks to the back corner of the triangle. So that's how you get the body. And what you get is a teddy bear. Again, this is Ralph Dewey's teddy bear. No, sorry, Roger Siegel's teddy bear. There we go. Okay. And then what I do, so this is pretty good for a single balloon. But just by adding a second balloon to it, okay, I just make a loop, tie it with the knot. I don't make any twists in there. I just make a tie with the knot. All right. Now I'm going to make a bend here in the middle. Twist this a little bit. Twist this a little bit. Twist this a little bit. And you get your basic heart, right? I can hook that and attach it to anything. I can attach it to a dog. I can attach it to a hat. I can attach it to, a kitty cat. I can attach it to flowers. So just by adding the heart to anything, you've doubled the production value, in my opinion. Still a 2-balloon sculpture, but it's a better sculpture than just the teddy bear.